Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy mover today, as I'm sure you're aware if you're watching it, but that 30-minute session right there, volume came pouring in, price was all over the place. Yeah, definitely, brought about a lot of volume scanners and volume filters and all of that, and brought eyeballs into the stock, especially for those people that like crazy movements. So you got to think that it's rational to believe that a lot of people going forward are going to be keeping an eye on this one for at least on Thursday. So let's get some of these newer levels mapped out here after such a crazy day. And the level now that I think a lot of people will be watching from the resistance side of things is just right up here at 53.50. That is essentially where the price topped out today. Now I get it, at one point the price did get up above that level slightly. That didn't last very long, and then the price went back below it. But my point here is that because a lot of people are watching that level, while it doesn't make a guarantee of anything, it does make a more than valid conclusion that if the price works its way up there and then can get a break up through it, that very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So 53.50, definitely a very important level you're going to want to keep an eye on from the resistance side of things. Now the flip side though, as far as the downside is concerned, where some of these levels of support at, and again, a level that I think a lot of people will be watching is right down here at 47. So once more, same logic, just flipped around, is no such thing as a guarantee, but it's a more than valid conclusion to have that if the price works its way down to 47, behaves in that manner, and then breaks to the downside, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So those are really going to be, at least in my opinion, the two main levels that many traders from around the world are watching. And when you have that sort of dynamic going on, like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very, dynamic price movements. So keep your eye on those levels moving forward, and let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.